Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show super easy trick to crop a picture in PowerPoint. Let's start. Select the shape that you want. Setting position shape. Select picture first and select shape second. Click merge shape and select intersect. Or you want other shapes. Select the shape and set position shape. Click merge shape and select intersect. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.